the tractor, you know. Let's trade the key for the tractor, right? That's cool. Dang, you got a lot of trailers. You should start like a little RV park back here, huh?
That's all my kids.
Oh,
they're the ones that lived in the house the last time. Remember, I was on the west side.
Yeah. That's cool.
So I get them out my house, about the house, and put them outside, and then we're gonna build them little homes.
Oh, back here?
Yeah.
Wow.
The trailers are temporary for now.
Yeah. You can buy those prefab.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So that's he moved out already. He's got his own place.
Oh, this one's empty?
Yeah.
How much you renting it out for?
Shit, maybe I have to ask my wife.
Trailer for rent, $5,000 a month. For utilities.
South Phoenix.
South Phoenix.
You got water in the canal.
Oh yeah, they can shower in the canal.
All your necessities.
Yeah.
Shaded parking.
Yeah. Shaded. That's true. Shaded parking. Well, not right now, but in the afternoon, I guess.
Yeah.
So, what happened to the key? It just got lost?
We misplaced it again. The last time it broke, we ran it over.
Oh yeah.
My son took off with them on the dash, and I haven't checked on the inside to see if they're located anywhere on this side.
Yeah, I got you.
But, yeah.
All right, we'll make the new one. Yep. So were all these, you brought all the cars here, or were they here already? Like these older ones?
The other ones are here. My old house, that one, this one.
So they came with the property?
The 51? No, my old house.
Oh, gotcha.
This truck at their grandfather's, that's their uncle's.
Oh, wow. Do they drive?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Gotta wait 1 minute for that PIN code to read, so I might as well start working on that door. All right, we got the PIN code. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's do the door key. I think I wrote it down wrong. I'm gonna have to watch this video. All right, let's cut this key. All right, that should work. Oh, hold it open too early. All right, we're out of here. This car. What kind of car is that?
51 Chevy Deluxe Skyline.
Wow. It was probably one of the coolest cars in its prime, huh?